Last week, Amber Heard finally took the stand to testify against Johnny Depp in a massive defamation lawsuit. Before her testimony, Amber's legal team tried to throw out Depp's case, pointing to Depp's previous lawsuit in the United Kingdom, which he lost. So, here in the United States, you cannot sue for defamation if you lost a previous defamation lawsuit against the same party with, in another country with laws and protections that adhere to the First Amendment. However, the judge in Depp's U.S. lawsuit did not honor the request to throw out the case, and here's why. Johnny's case in the UK was filed against the Sun, not Amber. Amber did appear in the case, but she only appeared as a witness. Now, some people try to say that since Amber simply appeared in the lawsuit, that's enough for the case in the U.S. to be thrown out, which is simply untrue. Amber may have appeared in the court battle, but she was not the defendant in the UK case. Amber did not win that battle. The Sun did. Also, there are differences regarding how the United States and United Kingdom honor and protect the freedom of speech. Here in the United States, we have the First Amendment, which grants people the protections of religion, assembly, petition, press, and speech, or RAPS for short. So, what this means, but there are limitations to these freedoms. You cannot incite violence, you cannot send threats, especially against high-ranking government officials such as the president, for example. You cannot conspire to commit crimes, and you must remain truthful under oath during court hearings, and obviously, you cannot commit an act of defamation such as libel and slander, among some other things. Now, while the United Kingdom does protect the freedom of speech, they do not have a true and bona fide answer to the First Amendment. So, I'm not exactly sure if this is coming into the judge's decision to move forward with the case, but it sounds like there would have to be some clause that mirrors that of the First Amendment in order for Depp's U.S. case to be thrown out. The third reason I'm going to give you guys is the United States and the United Kingdom have different processes to prove defamation. The standards are very, very similar because, believe it or not, our standards for defamation are actually derived from the English standards for defamation. But the main difference is in proving defamation is over in the UK, the defendant must prove their claims are true against the plaintiff. Over here in the US, the plaintiff must prove that the defendant was blatantly false and acted with malice. Now, from what I can understand, proving defamation is usually easier over in the UK because, it's going to be harder to prove a false claim to be true than it is to prove a false claim to be blatantly and demonstrably false, and the person acted with malice. Now, with these aspects in mind, there is simply no grounds for Depp's U.S. case against Amber Heard to be thrown out, and that is why the case has proceeded, except for this week when they took a hiatus, but that's for other reasons. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, share this video, share all my videos. I've been covering Johnny Depp and Amber Heard a lot. As a matter of fact, I have a playlist dedicated specifically to this entire situation. That's going to be over on my channel. Go watch all those videos if you're interested. And I'll catch you all next time. Bye.